HVAC hacks to keep your home cool all summer long. Some things should always be left to a professional when it comes to maintaining and troubleshooting your home's HVAC unit. There are, however, some things that you can attempt to do on your own. Here are 5 DIY HVAC hacks to help you prepare for the heat and stay cool this summer. 1. Check for leaks. 2. Change your air filter. 3. Upgrade to a smart thermostat. 4. Invest in a dehumidifier. And 5. Schedule regular maintenance. Are you in need of professional air conditioning services? Our team of experts at Advanced Heating and Air Conditioning is ready to help. We're available 24/7 to provide AC repair, installation, and maintenance services. If you're in the Alexander City, Alabama area, give us a call at 334-209-7714 or visit our website, advancedheatingandairconditioningllc.com today.